Hello students, this video is going to be a little different from the other ones. Before this we had studied chapter 3, that is the special prize. This is the continuation of the same thing, and the reason why I have made this video separately is that this also needs special attention. The name of the chapter is the special prize. In the same way, reading of words also holds a special place in English. And we also have to give special attention to this part of grammar. So first what we have to do is read the following pairs of words. And as you can see over here, I have highlighted only the letters Y. And as I read all these words, please pay attention, please listen carefully to the way each of the letter Y sounds. Now we have Y in all these 8 words, but all the Y's sound different from each other. Happy, yes. Silly, yellow. Pity, yet. July, your. You must have noticed that in this column, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, in these 4 words, all the letters Y sound like E or I. And in this column, all these Y's sound like year. Now, to explain to you this in a better way, I have typed out all these words in Hindi as well so that you can understand better. The first word is happy. Students, please note this matra over here on the letter H. This is pronounced as A. As you can see, A means we don't say happy, we say happy. Just like happy, we also say yes. So over here also this matra will be pronounced as A. Happy, yes. And over here you can notice the ending of this E. E matra. Over here in English we have Y. Happy. But the same letter is over here also. Y and Y. Here it sounds like E. Over here it sounds like year. Yes. In the same way, the second pair, silly. It sounds like E. Over here, yellow. Year. And for this word, you must have noticed that I have used one letter. I have put a dash and then the second letter. Now, the reason for doing this is it is not pronounced as yellow. It is pronounced as yellow. Moving on to the next pair. Pity. P-I-T-Y. Yet. Y-E-T. Just like the above pairs, also we have difference in the pronunciation. Over here Y, over here also Y. But this is pronounced as E. Pity. In the same way, yet. Y is pronounced as year. Moving on to the last one. Julyyyour. You already know how to pronounce these words. July, your. This is a little different from the first 3. As you can see over here, E, July. Or you can also take this together. Ly is not pronounced as Julie, it is pronounced as July. And the next word, your. Y-O-U-R. In this, Y sounds like year, your. So moving on to the next page of this same PDF. Color the clouds with the words in which Y is pronounced as in city. Students, please try to understand properly what this means with the words in which Y, that means the letter Y, is pronounced as in city. Listen to this pronunciation, city. That means wherever there is Y, it should sound like E. You can also take, for example, the letter in Hindi, that is this one, E. Now let us pronounce the first word, sky. Now sky does not sound like E. My does not sound like E. Tray does not sound like E. May also does not sound like E. Pretty, yes, it sounds like E. Pretty city. To mark the answers, it is up to you what you would like to do. I'll just give you some suggestions what you could do. We have already got an answer. Pretty is one of the answers. So what I have done is I have just changed the outline to the color pink. What you can do is you can lightly shade this cloud using your pencil. But if you are doing that, students, please note, keep your book neat and tidy. Please don't let the other portion of the book get dirty. If you do not want to do that, you can also put a tick mark over here. I hope you understood that. It's up to you. Please do not make your book dirty. The next word, say. Say does not sound like city. The next word, very. Yes, it sounds like E in city. So I have colored this figure and I've made it pink. You can do the same thing that you're going to do for this word. Next one, they. No, it does not sound like E. Type. It sounds like this thing, I. If you take this matra also, it will sound like this, type. So it does not sound like E in the word city. Before ending this video, students, let me tell you, if you do not know how to pronounce a particular word, what you can do is go to Google and type something like this. If you type this in Google, you will come to know how to pronounce this word. For example, if you want to know the pronunciation of this word, just change this to Pretty, pretty. And you will get many examples, you will get many results. You can listen to videos, you can see how they move their lips, how they use their tongue, and you can also listen to it carefully. There are many explanations, many examples available on Google. You can also type out these words and you can search it on Google. So that's it for this video. Thank you, students.